When editing inside of Photoshop, the X and the D keys can be extremely useful. At the bottom of my tools panel just here, you can see I have a foreground color of red and a background color of blue. Hovering over this double-headed arrow just here, this tool will let me switch between the foreground and the background colors, and its keyboard shortcut is X. So if I tap X, you can see the foreground and the background colors are indeed switching. And the little icon to the left of that, if I hover over that, pressing that will bring up the default colors for Photoshop. Keyboard shortcut is D. So if I press D, it gives me a default foreground color of black and a default background color of white. So why do we care about being able to easily get to a black and a white quickly and then being able to switch between them quickly as well? Well, that's extremely important in the world of masking. So in this example I have just here, I've cut out this woman using a layer mask just here. Within layer masks, any area that's white is purely opaque. Any area that is black is purely transparent. So of course, if we're doing compositing, overlaying one thing on top of another, it's very important that we cut out things correctly. So in this example, I have just here, same image, just minus the layer mask. If I add a layer mask, bring up my brush tool, and let's just zoom in on, say, the shoulder area just here. So if I wish to cut this out, I'm going to press D to give my default colors, press X to get black as my foreground color, and now with my mask selected, if I click and start dragging, a little rough I know guys, but you get the idea. You can see I can start to cut out this person just here like so. Now, if I was to make a mistake, like if I accidentally cut into the arm just there, I can quickly press the X key, which will switch those colors, now giving me white as the foreground color. So I can easily paint that jacket back in there like so. And we are done. You get the idea, guys. So D to bring up your default colors of black and white, and X to switch your foreground and background colors.